Hey everyone, Rob from Expedition Team Overland here with a brand new series that's going to be coming in starting in January 2020 and going forward until I get through all the stuff. So what this is going to be, it's going to be a multi-part series of all the gear and supplies I carry in the Jeep with me to go on trips. It's also going to include research and mapping software I use. I use both new high-tech stuff, but I'm also old school. I love paper maps and paper books. I'm real not big into the PDF stuff. I like to actually be able to put my hands through paper and that type of stuff. So I'm going to be going over all the stuff that I carry. Here we are in the new studio here for the Expedition Team Overland. These are backdrop is a bunch of pictures that my buddy TJ printed for me. It's all the big major trails and trips I've been on over the years, including my old Jeep that really wasn't in much of the videos. It's my old 2013 black Jeep Wrangler Sport. So these are not every trail I've done. It's been all the big ones. A lot of them are the Jeep Badge of Honors that I've done, but we also have some like Copper Ridge T33 crash site and some of those big more notable trails. So it really turned out well. It's hopefully going to be an ongoing process over the years. Get all the way down to the floor, and I'll have to add more of them into the garage, into the shop. But this is going to be a real fun series. So make sure to hit the like and subscribe button and the bell notification so you make sure you're the first one to know that once these videos drop. These videos will be starting to drop at the end of January and be going for about 6 or 8 weeks, I believe it's going to be. I also have a couple trips coming up. We're going to be heading to the Allegheny National Forest later in January for some winter camping, and probably the end of February, beginning of March, heading down to either Kentucky or Virginia. Do some of the trails down that way. So we're going to have some fun stuff coming up this year. Looking forward to it. And I hope you guys all stay safe and have a good one. See you in a couple weeks.